Hello guys, today I'm going to share with you how do you install Jenkins in your machine locally and running in your test. So let's go take a look how is it happen. So now for Jenkins you have to download the Jenkins war jar, or you can find out easily in uh, Google. Let me say Jenkins. So if it's a Jenkins downloads, or no, okay, Jenkins downloads, or you can go here. Sorry, you can go here. What is all the updates? So over here you can find out permanent link to the list. I always choose this. So you guys also choose this, or you want to be lower version, but I prefer always the permanent. What is the latest version? If you click here, you can it should be download. I already have downloaded, so I'm going to cancel it. So now this is my Jenkins. I create a new folder, which is if you go over here, you can see my Jenkins folder around here somewhere, Jenkins. So in this Jenkins folder, I create Jenkins related all the jar or anything else. So this is a Jenkins. So now let's open the terminal. So you have to go in the Jenkins. Example, I cd documents and Jenkins. Over here I'm in Jenkins folder already, you can see from here. So now from Jenkins folder, that remember that if you have installed Jenkins before by mistake and even know Jenkins not going to run, there's a really big problem with that, or you forgot your password. So what you guys can do, if you forgot your password, so go do this command, sudo rm -rf var root Jenkins or Jenkins. What will be happen? From the root folder, the Jenkins will be deleted. So if I do that, they're gonna ask my computer login password. So it should be deleted. Now if I go run the Jenkins war file, how do you gonna run? Example, if you are in office environment, maybe something you open Jenkins always run in localhost 8080 port. So if somehow using 8080 port is not going to work, so what you can do, you can change the port, or if you never use Jenkins before 8080 port, you can use always the 8080 port by default one. But I prefer to you don't know you by mistake or you using 8080 port, I prefer you guys run with a different port. So example, I have here, I write on Java jar Jenkins war http port 8000. So what will happen? Jenkins will be run through 8000. So let me run it. So begin. So now there's the part you see Jenkins is up and fully running. So you can see here, this is the password. So now I will go to the UI. So I can write down localhost 8080. You go localhost 8080. So they're gonna ask you give your password. Delete this one, whatever you have. You provide this and continue. I said nope, I don't have the password. So you will get in the Jenkins or say customize Jenkins. Always I select install suggest plugin. So you will cover everything. Hit it. So getting started. Jenkins all the plugin they're downloading. So give me some moment. So in the meantime it will be well done. So remember that again. Keep running this one. I go back again to command line. You see the over here the Jenkins is running, begin installing all those things. Again, if you have a old Jenkins or you already installed it and you forgot your password, go use this command, sudo rm rf var root Jenkins from your command line from anywhere. When you enter, they're gonna ask your password. Password has to be your computer login password. or system login password. So when you put the password, it will be deleted. Then you can go your Jenkins folder. Like example, I have Jenkins folder over here. I will go cd documents where I have Jenkins folder, Jenkins. And if I put the ls, so you will see the Jenkins file. From there, I show you previously what kind of command you have to use. You just have to use the java jar Jenkins, or if you want especially any other port, you can use the port, or if you don't need to use just any http port, just put the java jar. So now let me go take a look. Create your administration user and password. Just create it. I don't want to create example. Okay, let's do it for you guys. I want to put the test and test Jenkins, and password I'm going to put the same one for right now. I'm going to delete this account, guys. You're not going to find out. So full name, I mean Nadir Jaman. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, Nadir Jaman. Email nadirjamanqa@gmail.com. Save and finish. So now your Jenkins setup is completed. Never start using Jenkins. So guys, finally you are in the Jenkins. So whenever next time you open, you put the local host 8080, or you always will be getting your Jenkins in your local machine. So now you will see you are in Jenkins. Now, if you go over here, if you see over here, so now you have to configure the Jenkins globally. So now manage Jenkins. So you will see you don't have manage plugin, because we know if you create a Maven framework or run the Maven framework, so you need a plugin for Maven. So write down over here so available, click on available, then you can search here Maven. You have enter, you'll be see. So what can I do? What I suggest you, all related Maven, you just select it, Maven. So you don't want to miss anything, because in future you guys need it. Maybe you don't know right now, all plugin you don't need, but in future you need. Better do it. It's not going to harm you. It's good for you. So look like we choose all the Maven release. Yeah. So now download and install after restart. Okay. So now it's downloading. So it's a little bit take time. Let them do it. Again, I'm going to go back to the screen, and you see over here job is running, installing, all the log you can find out here. That means your Jenkins is alive and without any issue is running properly. Your log always can show. So now again, if you have a Jenkins in your machine and you forgot it, use this command. So what will be happening is going to delete your Jenkins from your root, then you can start from beginning. So I just did that. I'm not going to do that. When you enter hit it, they're going to ask you password. Password is supposed to be your laptop login password or your system administrator password. So now let's go. Download successfully done. Now restart Jenkins. Click here. So Jenkins will be restarting. It's running. So Jenkins is a continuous integration where you can run your Maven or any other project, Java project or Maven project. I'm showing the Maven project because in next video you can see how Maven project integrate with Jenkins. So for that reason, I'm showing the Maven. Even on Java, it's simple, so you can do it same way. But let me finish the Maven. Maybe next video I can show you how to do it in a regular Java project. installing still, restarting Jenkins running. If you go over here, Jenkins is fully up and running. Okay, Jenkins is starting. Jenkins, cool. Okay, you will just see the Jenkins running over here. Instead of when done, you will be see properly. Now, go to the Jenkins. You have I have my password, which already okay. Now, because I put different Jenkins, so now it's gonna log in. So now Jenkins is up. So one thing you can do, guys, make sure if your Maven and JDK Java JDK is done properly, go to the manage Jenkins, configure system, global tool configure. So if you have JDK, if you use the JDK, you want to use from the install machine automatically, instantly. So you can select here, whatever version you want, and Maven. Remember, guys, if Maven installation, add Maven. Maven installation, it has to be whatever in your computer. So that in your machine. If you Maven have in your machine, Maven install have 3.53, choose 3.53 or whatever version you have. So now we're done here. If you say apply, save, Maven is up and running properly, is ready to create a project. Do you have any question? If you feel free to ask in YouTube channel and in my channel, I will be answering right away. Thank you so much, guys. This is for is it for today. That's it for today. And next video, you can see how to Maven project with Jenkins, how to integrate Maven project with Jenkins. Thank you.